Yo, greetings again in the mighty name of Rastafari. You see, it's BUJU Banton come out and bust a speech a while ago. And I give so much thanks. His Majesty. You see? So, I'm going to recite few a BUJU Banton words where it's quite relevant in this time. You see? Because you don't know, can't speak like them man there, you know. Why should I be the one for you to point your finger on when you don't know about my culture or nothing but my land? Why should I be the one for you to point your finger on when you don't know? Keep your injection. Won't be conceited from day one. We have been mistreated with no regards for my culture. I really just believe I was brought to dance by noble folks recruited in the street. Heaven always open. My God never sleeps. Where is democracy, freedom of speech? You get me? Yes, my general. Say what you have to say, my brother. Mad love. Rastafari. Share, like, and subscribe.
Well, someone side I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright, and everything can't alright. Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would for dead I go dead, and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, but you haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January we about I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.
Right, people, we have some more homework for you to do. You need to go to this website, patentscope.wipo.int, or patent, depending where you're from. Okay, this is your homework. This is where everybody goes when they want to file.
Yeah, this is a government site that shows the patents that have been successfully filed in the US.
Okay, so we're going to go over to the one that Dr. Northrop was talking about. This one, it's all here, people, for you to do it yourself, because clearly when we tell you things or doctors tell you things, some of you are not having any of it. So you've got to go and do your research yourself. It's this cryptocurrency system using body activity data, right? This is here. So no one's making this up. There you go. The international filing date was June of last year. So again, 2019 is when all this planning was done.
And filed by the good folks.
Filed by, there you go. So we all know who owns Microsoft. Now, we're here to tell you to do your own research, because that's what you've got to do. This is the kind of thing you are going to see. There you are, that's you, with your little chippy thing in.
Yeah, they've laid it right out. There's the sensor, user device, and the cloud. And this is the server where you're going to be getting what they say is human body activated association with a task provided to a user as a way to get cryptocurrency. So if that's going to be the currency of the future, if cash is going to be dead, which they're kind of killing right now, it looks like you're going to be getting associated tasks, and those tasks can be, run a mile or whatever, but it could also
it's going to be go and get vaccinated. Off you go. Whoopsie. Yes, you did. Good, clever person. There's your money. Oh, you didn't. Okay, you punished a bad person. No money for you. In fact, you know what? We might actually fine you. People, this is not good. Brian, scroll down. Okay, so when you get to this site, when you get to here to do your own homework yourself,
you
go to description and check it out.
And read all of this. It's a tough read, but I mean, there's so much information here, and it's pretty nefarious. I mean, we're going to be essentially controlled, and if you don't obey, then you're going to be punished. This is definitely not land of the free anymore.
No, and this is everything Dr. Northrop was talking about the other day on her video. So this is backing it up for those of you that say she's crazy, and for those of you that said yesterday, oh, because it's on the internet, it must be true, trying to be sarcastic to us. That was MIT yesterday, and this is the patent or patent, depending where you're from, scope. This is where everybody goes to file their patents, their patents. And here you go. This is all the cryptocurrency using body data. I mean, it goes on. The body actively the sensor comprises at least one of the body radiation emitted from the user, body fluid flow, a brainwave, pulse rate, body heat. That's just one I just happened to pick out. You need to read this.
Yeah, it's pretty terrifying.
So, website one more time. There you go. Somebody posted it in the links for those that missed it. Go there, and you're looking up this. Okay, somebody maybe actually even post a link for you. It's true, it's real, and those people that tell you you're crazy or you're mad, you're not. We showed you yesterday the chip on the MIT website, and now we're showing you this.
And it's all connected.
So everything Dr. Northrop is saying is true.
Yeah, and thank you to Dr. Northrop for sending these links to us.
All right, and I know many of you saying you've also posted about this before, people aren't listening. Everybody keep posting. Thank you for what you did. Sorry we didn't hear you. We're hearing you now, and that's why we're doing this. So share this, make your own, do whatever you got to do. But main thing is here, do your own research.
Coming for you.
Establishment will not do. No lie that they won't tell. To hold their prestige and power at your expense. And that's what's been happening. The Washington establishment and the financial and media corporations that fund it exist for only one reason: to protect and enrich itself. The establishment has trillions of dollars at stake in this election. As an example, just one single trade deal they'd like to pass involves trillions of dollars controlled by many countries, corporations, and lobbyists. For those who control the levers of power in Washington, and for the global special interest, they partner with these people that don't have your good in mind. Our campaign represents a true existential threat like they haven't seen before. This is not simply another four-year election. This is a crossroads in the history of our civilization that will determine whether or not we, the people, reclaim control over our government. The political establishment that is trying to stop us is the same group responsible for our disastrous trade deals, massive illegal immigration, and economic and foreign policies that have bled our country dry. For them, it's war. And for them, nothing at all is out of bounds. This is a struggle for the survival of our nation. Believe me. This election will determine whether we're a free nation or whether we have only the illusion of democracy, but are in fact controlled by a small handful of global special interests rigging the system, and our system is rigged. This is reality. You know it, they know it, I know it, and pretty much the whole world knows it. The establishment and their media enablers wield control over this nation through means that are very well known. Anyone who challenges their control is deemed a sexist, a racist, a xenophobe, and morally deformed. They will attack you. They will slander you. They will seek to destroy your career and your family. They will seek to destroy everything about you, including your reputation. They will lie, 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 and then again, they will do worse than that. They will do whatever's necessary. The Clintons are criminals. Remember that. They're criminals. Our great civilization, here in America and across the civilized world, has come upon a moment of reckoning. We've seen it in the United Kingdom, where they voted to liberate themselves from global government and global trade deals and global immigration deals that have destroyed their sovereignty and have destroyed many of those nations. But the central base of world political power is right here in America. And it is our corrupt political establishment that is the greatest power behind the efforts at radical globalization and the disenfranchisement of working people. Their financial resources are virtually unlimited. Their political resources are unlimited. Their media resources are unmatched. And most importantly, the depths of their immorality is absolutely unlimited.